What is up, YouTubers? John the Challenge is here, and welcome back to more of the Pokemon Water Starter Challenge of Pokemon Violet. It's been a while since the last episode. What did I do? Okay, so far in my journey, I've taken down one Titan and two gyms. So now, we are definitely going to take on another Titan that's up top over here, which I think I already accidentally accessed the cutscene, I guess, for starting it a little bit, or at least when Arven calls you. I just need to check out everyone's summaries, see what's going on here. Okay, that would make sense why I have you up front. I have you because of Ice Fang. But yeah, I did level everyone up to level 21 in between. So yeah, which I done that like a while ago. I've been wanting to record this too for a while. I just haven't found... God damn it. I just haven't found the time to. You're only a grass type. Die, grass type. Might as well get a little extra experience, because why not? Yeah, it's just been a lot of stuff been kind of going on lately. Especially, for one, reuniting with an old friend, and kind of making a new one, too. Especially since, I'll say the quote-unquote new friend. I generally have known him since high school, but we're only just starting to talk. And they want to hang out a lot. And hell, Lily, as of recording this, they wanted to hang out again today, but I said I was busy. Which it is true, I'm kind of busy today, but I have time for this. Let's just say I'm busy to the point where I need to be at home for the amount of time. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Where the fuck do I go? Okay, I go that way. I was like, where am I even going? I'm trying to remember where Bombardier is. But yeah. Yeah, the thing is, I also kind of felt bad too, because the fact is, they seem like they really want to hang out, and they just kind of sounded like I didn't like them at all. It's like, that's not true, it's just, I don't want to like hang out every day, that's the thing. Or every other day, like maybe like around a week is fine, but it's also the fact that I'm not used to like hanging out with people in person, because these are like in-person friends too. I'll say this, the friends I've been talking about, they're a couple and everything. They live together, and I'm more close friends with the one friend than the other that I've been hanging out with recently. A lot more, so yeah. Yeah, it's not like I don't want to, it's just there's other stuff I also want to do too. Big Bird. Okay, I thought we were going to be going up a bit higher, but that's fine. Icy Wind. Ow. Aha! Maybe now I'm faster. Yeah. Do I have to hit you one more time? Yeah. Ooh, okay. I should be still fast enough that I don't need to heal. And on Big Bird need to smash rock. Am I gonna go straight into a battle? That would not be great because I want to heal. Wait, you managed to get to the Titan somehow, huh? Yeah, I just rode on Miraidon up here. Okay, yeah, we literally go into another battle. So I have no time to heal for this one. Huh, how peculiar. Oh, I mean, I do have super potions. Alright, now, hopefully, this bird aims for the rock mushroom and not me. Motherfucker. Okay. I don't think it would even... Oh, Draining Kiss is also super effective. I'm not fairy type yet, right? Yeah, no, I'm just a pure water type, so it's not stab. I mean, the water move's not also... Well, hang on, Draining Kiss... Yeah, let me do Draining Kiss, actually. Oh, fuck. Why me? Can you do something more than that? Oh yeah, no, that's not enough to survive another hit. That's only 20... I'm gonna have to use another one. Yeah. Would you stop rock polishing? I think your speed is high enough. Yeah, make him not do that anymore. Okay. Just in case you attack me, I'm gonna do this. Fell straight down. Alright, literally one more hit and we should be good. I got like 18. Okay, I didn't even get to do the final blow. Nice. Oh, excuse me. It's a nice view. Way to go, Wave. Looks like we don't have to worry about any more boulders falling down on us, huh? What's that, a giant boulder? Has to be more Herba Mystica it ate in there. Let's hurry and find it before the Titan can come back for another go at us. The cave. Here's the cave. Yeah, I guess in all honesty, like the friend I was talking about earlier, wanted to hang out and stuff. I literally politely told them to kind of fuck off. Politely, obviously. Like I was definitely trying my best not to be like sounding mean and trying not to sound like I didn't want to. But like, yeah, it's just not something I want to do like every day, kind of thing. Do 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 do. I don't think I want to eat this sandwich. It smells bad. Yeah, sandwiches. Yeah, sandwiches. Did someone say sandwich? You again. My mortal enemy. There you go. Yeah, it's tuna. I don't like tuna. Trying to say thanks or something. Well, good thing I made an extra. You're helping me out with a whole bunch with the hard stuff, so it's only fair you get more. I definitely, absolutely did not make an extra one so the Miraidon can have a sandwich, okay? Too bad, he's having one. We can swim. Those sandwiches are very good. Ooh, another sandwich. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Hanger? Don't you dare touch that! That isn't for you! Ah, sorry, I shouldn't have shouted like that. Yes, now you're gonna introduce your sad old puppy who is sick. For the 4th time I've seen this. Eat up the sandwich. Take it slowly, take your time. This is my dog buddy right now. I mean, obviously he's not, like, sick, but he definitely, like, lays around a lot. Starting to somewhat go blind and deaf at this point. But he's still trucking, he still seems healthy. He's just getting old. But he likes lazing around a lot. Probably like about almost like 2 walks a day for him normally. You can see! You have eyeballs! It's been so long. It's been 10,000 years. I'm sure that joke will be saying a lot when ZA comes out. If it's not out already by the time this comes out. I definitely want to get this series done too. Just so I can then also take a break from the challenge channel. Because I will say that this much for this channel. I'm definitely going to be taking a break from it for quite a while. Because for one, I'd rather kind of focus more on my main channel, for starters. And the fact that I'm more busy with shit in general, so... Just having less on my plate would be nice. Oh, with how busy I am, I don't know if I'm gonna have to take another week off at some point again. I think... Yeah, I think I want to go over in this direction. Go to him. Also probably go over to the Pokemon Center over here at least. And then start making my way to Iono, which... So, well, I guess you first, because you'll definitely be an easy one. And then Iono, which the only good Pokemon I have for you is Marshtomp. My only Pokemon that's immune to electric, while everyone else is weak against it. Ow. I got a nugget. Wee. Now, I will also admit, kind of going back to the friend thing, I do normally talk to my friend, like, a lot of my friends online, like, every day, but I mean, I normally chat with them for, like, maybe, like, a few hours, normally. Plus, I don't have to go anywhere, so it is easier to do shit with them. Compared to having to go out and be out, like, almost all day. Yeah, even whenever I do normally go out just on my own, normally I'm only gone for, like, a few hours. I mean, considering I don't drive, for one. And two, I don't really know what much else to do on my own. especially when I'm out. So, yeah. I did not see you. I'll run. Right, I should probably also switch my Pokemon a bit. I mean, everyone's mostly still 21. I want to keep Brionne just because they are the only ones with a fairy move. Let me check with everyone else. I mean, you have a bug move, so I might actually bring you in. In fact, I'll still bring you since you have a fairy move. Let's see. Oh, well, you have low sweep. I guess, yeah. Maybe I do still bring Brionne up front just in case. So then if they faint, then I could just put Duat up front. Also, I didn't mean to run into you. Okay. I think the Pokemon Center up here is also blocked, too. Pretty much, yeah, there's like a wall. This will be our first Team Star base to take down. And where we normally just kind of skip a lot of dialogue, because I don't really care about this story whatsoever. The professor... No, I'm not the professor. I'm a cool kid. Yeah. Shy as ever. We first met. How can you mean shy as ever? We've never met. Yeah, Clive. Suspicious. Sus. Put an end to the rule. Need to take down the 5 squads. Yeah, funny enough, this was not the first Team Star base I originally fought. I originally fought the fire one first. It is funny how you can do these out of order, though. It would be kind of cool, though, if they're like everyone's like Pokemon teams would adjust compared to like when you would get to them, pretty much. Like, say the 8th gym with Grusha. I don't know if that, but you know, the Ice type trainer who's supposedly supposed to be the 8th gym leader. Imagine having to fight them, but they have like a low level team. If you decide to fight them first, you know, I think that would have been nice. And Titan's level would have changed too. Alright, I'm gonna do a little save. Anyway, we might fight someone first. Actually, I'll probably start with Duat here. Oops. It's this button. I keep matching my buttons. Buttons. Do. Whoa, hold it, you. Up is a base of Team of Dark Crew. Yeah, we're gonna beat you now. What? Maybe I'm planning to take down your Team Star base. I'll take you one. I have an otter that has a fighting move. Ah, shit. Oh wait, no, it's actually a bug move, but I also don't think this is also good either. Yeah, no, now it's neutral. gotta take this. Yeah, I guess just a water gun. You're almost dead. Scarlet and Violet. Oh yeah, wait, no, I can't check here. I think I might have saved it on my phone. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I saved the teams on somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just skip this while I'm looking for the details. No. No, that's something else. Did I ever save this shit? I must have taken a picture and sent it somewhere on this list. Definitely not there. Is this it? This might be it. Okay. Okay, so for Team Dark... Okay, so it's just going to be a Poniard and... Okay, so a fighting type should be good to use here, so I'll use the one I have low kick on. Especially since I know Fairy won't work either, so... It's taken care of very nicely. Yeah, because I knew I saved the information somewhere. So yeah, level 21 Poniard, and then level 20 River Room, which is the car. So who here... I'm just gonna check box-wise. Quaxaville, got it. Or Quaxwell. So I'm gonna put you up front. That's one way of organizing it. I'm gonna grab this item over here while I'm here. X special attack. I'm ready. It's my duck. Oh, if it keeps raining when we get into the main battle, maybe all I need is my water moves. God, I swear, this is going to be like the opposite of last time, where I've been sick of the rain. This time I'm going to be, like, very happy for the rain. Oh, hey, Sandiles, I can take care of them. Wait. There. It doesn't look like any of them gotten hurt either, so... Poniard! Sneasel! Oh, Brion got hurt a bit. Okay, before I fight you birds, let me do a quick heal. One more bird will take care of it. Good job, Duat. 31 out of 30? That makes no sense. Dun, 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 dun. I think I should up the volume on this a bit. And if anything, I've already completed the Skylander ones, by the way, because I remember earlier when I was saying I was going to take a break after this series. Also, technically the Skylander series as well. Once I'm done both of those monotype runs. Well, this and that. Which I've already completed all the other runs I needed to for Skylanders. I have them just saved in my hard drive. So I can transfer them over to my laptop when I'm ready to go. Oh, there's Pawnyard. And now my duck is going to use a low kick. Or low sweep. Huh. Yeah, something tells me I should have worked up first. This tempo ain't over yet. Now we must fight the car! Oh. I'm gonna switch Pokemon. Yeah, if Brion faints, I don't really care too much. I mean, they're already higher level than everyone else, so... Ooh, okay. Snarl. Ow! No, not the special attack! I actually need that. Alright, still should survive another hit, so I'm gonna get another hit in and then maybe switch to Duat, maybe? Ow. Okay, Oh, you're technically also level 22. Do I just go into you and sack you? I mean, I'm gonna be using you for Iono's gym anyway, so might as well just... If I need to, I'll sack you, and then I'll have a clean switch and do what if I need to. Yeah, wait, I have nothing but specials too. That's not great. Okay. Well, I can try to get you confused. Might as well. I don't know if that was enough to let me go first. No. Alright, you did good, Marshcom. Alright, Duat, go. There's no way you can lower my attack power. Ooh. So let's just do normally 40... Oh yeah, in succession, right. Should I lower their defense first to just up the attack normally? And then continue with Fury Cutter? I'm gonna say, yeah, I'm gonna do that and then do a continuous... They're still faster, damn. Okay. Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, they didn't use Snarl. I'm gonna say I'm gonna survive this. Okay, that's fine. I don't use. Okay, now I don't survive the next one, so I literally have no choice but to use this. No, not Snarl. I have a lot of super potions. I do have lemonade still too, but again. Like, one more Fury Cutter would work, but I need him to not use Snarl. Because he fucking 2-hits me. God, how many Snarls are there? Stop snarling! Okay, shit, because I feel like you're just gonna die to a hit anyways. Which I wouldn't mind sacking you, it's just, I want to have another turn, though, to heal Duat. And that'd be kind of, like, worth a double sack, though. Fuck, dude. I don't have any other heals. These are the only other heals I can use during battle. I only have 6 left. I just have to hope they don't use Snarl. Like, use your other move. Stop! Oh my god, how many Snarls do you have? Let me use a normal potion. Just to kind of keep delaying. And then use another super potion. Oh my god, finally. Finally, he didn't use Snarl. He missed! Finally! Heal stall worked. God, that was actually an annoying battle. Good job, Duat. Gets that the end of you. And here we go, the button mashing game, where you literally just mash a button to get through pointless dialogue. We get a... You were once bullied, so then you became the bullies to bully the bullies. And then, yeah, blah blah blah, you all have your sad stories. Thank you. Ah, I was hoping for Snarl. Because that was an annoying move to use. I was expecting a giant Pomportier to make a guest appearance today. You get a Quaxwell to style that up for you? Yeah, I have Quaxwell. Yeah, I have Quaxwell. My Quaxwell actually helped him with his hairstyle. Yeah, it was actually my Quaxwell in general who did that. Yeah, I will say after I'm done recording this video, I definitely have to wait a little bit before starting another one. At least at this point, almost like 35 minutes. If I don't want to have a chance of being interrupted. And like I said, busy today. Even if it's not a lot, it's something where I have to be at home. LP. I have to also figure out what TM or well, not just TMs, I guess. What Trastalize I want for me waters. Goodbye, Eevee girl. Alrighty. I see. Alright, so I'm gonna go over to this next Pokemon Center and heal for sure. I know there's a Titan over there, but I am still way too weak for that. I mean, I am super effective, since it's a ground type. And Steel, which I don't think resists water. But still, at the same time, it's like, yeah, maybe a bit of a problem. Also, here, Gimmighoul somewhere. Gimmighoul. 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 I don't see no Gimmighoul. Actually, while we're in town here, I know there's a shop for battle items. Let me actually go check that out real quick. I think it's down in this floor area. While I'm here, I also see this. Oh, hey, Muscle Band. Well, at least I don't have to purchase that. Yeah, I think it's just over here, yeah. Battle items. Okay, magnet. I don't think I'm really using that. Maybe. Just because of Marshtomp. Poison Barb. No one on my team's a poison type, nor can learn poison moves. Ghost? There's no water ghost starter, right? I think there's only been fire and grass ghost starters. I don't think there's ever been... Okay, let me see. Blastoids for Alligator are pure water types. Then you have water ground, water steel, pure water, water dark, so no ghost, water fairy, pure water, and water fighting, so no. I didn't realize how expensive leftovers are. Can I sell something? I did. Okay, yeah, no, I can't. Okay, so definitely can't buy anything just yet. I mean, I could afford the, Oh yeah, I should probably switch some Pokemon around, too. At least you two, since you're... Yeah. Might move Wartortle up front for the next battle, I don't know. Just kind of deciding on what I need, because I'm definitely going to be taking on the fire leader. Speaking of which, I should probably just fly over there. You'll be after. But yeah, it's this way, yeah, which... Yeah, I haven't even gone down here, but I guess, yeah, basically the next set of group will be down here, pretty much. Yeah. So I guess fly over here. So what fell over? Oh, it was my pizza costume. I was a pizza last Halloween. Even though I didn't really like wear it much on that day either. I just kind of wore it for like a photo and then that was it. Ain't gimme cool. I do want to grab this over here. I do want to kind of activate the cutscene for the fire thing so we can just kind of get that over with. Whoa, okay. Yeah, activate the cutscene. I guess while I'm waiting to do with it... How did I get here? Where am I? Director. Like I said before, my name is Clive. Please don't forget it. I'm definitely not an old director. I'm definitely not an old man. I'm a young hipster. It's one thing I kind of forget with this game too. Obviously some of the clothes are different. Like, the clothes are different colored in Scarlet than in here. Because I'm so used to everyone wearing, like, purple and not red. Well, I guess more people wearing violet than Scarlet, you know? Oh, it's nobody. Definitely not the director. I mean, what? Should... Well, you know what? Yeah, maybe I'll just fight you real quick. Just the one dude up front here. Because then we can go immediately into the fight next episode. Which I think for in between, I'll do like a small little bit of training. I think mainly for Marshtomp. I think I did get some candies too. Off camera. Did I? That's a good question. But yeah, I might as well do this real quick. Shouldn't be that long of a battle. I mean, this is fire. And I have water. Houndour. Another dark type. I just finished fighting dark types. Oh, you're level 25. Again, I have water types. So it shouldn't be that much of a problem. Huh, now we got some level ups. Do. In that case, I might as well bring Marshtomp on. That's right, I declare war. Hasta la vista. Hello, director. Hello, little Charcadet. Charlos. Is that your Pokemon? This is Charles Charcadet. Charles, wait! He ran off. Oh yeah, wasn't I gonna sell shit? I have to go back this way anyways. Hey look, a Cyclizard. I got a better Cyclizard. Wee. Might as well heal. But yeah, I think I'll do a little bit of training off camera before I have to do my one thing, and then as soon as I get that done, I will literally start the next episode. But yeah, I think I will try to, especially like train Marshtomp, just because I think I really should get him ready for Iono. I didn't mean to buy. Huh. This is a weird camera angle. Okay. Oh no, that's sell. Right. Right, I forgot I need to sell first. Sunny TM I don't want. Well, definitely not Sunny Day. Will really be helpful at all. I don't think Electric Terrain is something I want either. I don't think anyone can learn Electro Ball, but I'll still keep it. Foul Play. Oh yeah, I did get candies. Not a whole lot, but I got candies. Oh, I got a mint. There's that muscle band, too. I am not gonna need a Sunstone. Okay. I'd like to buy, please. I'll take your entire supply. Grab like 20. Considering I needed to use a lot of that shit before. Oh shit. Yeah, not that many. I'll also take like 21 of these. There. Okay. I hit the thing. Oh, I might as well just hit you in the face. You didn't die. I don't have attack. Oh, well, I mean, that I do. Well, actually, I do have attack. Alrighty. I'm gonna end things here. I'm gonna train some Pokemon a little bit off camera. Specifically Marshtomp. Because, yeah. So with that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, press like button or subscribe or whatever. And I will see all you dudes in the next video. See you dudes next time.